Recording.
Ruth, I'm going to ask you some good questions. Who is Mary?
A mother baby Jesus.
The mother of baby Jesus. You want to swallow your food?
Can you hand me your carrot? Hand me your carrot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who is Joseph?
A dad of Jesus.
Very good. And you know Mary's baby's name because you've been saying Jesus. Where was Jesus born?
I don't know.
Take a guess. Where do you think he was born? What was he born in?
Okay.
A cave.
In a cave. That's very good because that's actually what it was.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it wasn't a barn. Why was he born there?
I don't know. The baby's born there.
Why do you think Jesus was born in a cave?
What happened when they went to the inn?
The cave.
In the cave, okay.
What happened? Did they try to have a baby somewhere else?
No, they had the baby in there.
In there? They didn't try to have him anywhere else? They just said, let's have a baby in a cave. Is that what happened?
No. They asked people. Okay. There's one guy after the. Okay. First they said, "My wife." And then there was a boy that said, "I know where you can have the baby born."
Somebody said, I know where you can have the baby born.
Yeah.
And then they said, go to the cave. Okay.
Do you know how the wise men found Jesus?
No. Are you doing that movie, Mom?
I'm doing a movie. Do you know how the wise men found Jesus?
Do you remember how they found him?
No.
Okay, do you remember what gifts they brought to baby Jesus?
Gold, silver.
Gold and silver. Okay.
Okay. What animals were there when baby Jesus was
Cars,
born?
camels, and donkeys, sheep, birdies.
Birdies. Awesome.
Very good.
I found a movie of it.
You saw the movie?
Do you know why Jesus was born? Why did he come to earth?
Because I don't know. Because I don't know.
Is there a Christmas song you like to sing? What's it?
Baby Jesus is born on Christmas Eve.
Is that a song?
No.
Well, what
No?
Christmas song do you like to sing? That you sang maybe.
Rudolph.
Okay,
Rudolph.
sing Rudolph.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would say it does. For all that you come up and go and beat. And you never went for Rudolph.
But do you idea? Is that all?
And
Then one.
no.
Oh, no. That's
And
not.
then they,
Like-
and then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, 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 Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? That's how the reindeer planted, and they guided out with grace, yep, Rudolph made those animals history.
Woo! Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
How old are you?
4.
Okay.
4.5.
4.5.